Number 4 is the official Creality 3D printer. Are you tired of waiting forever for your 3D car parts to print? Buckle up, because the official Creality 3D printer is here to rev up your printing game. Thanks to its high-speed capabilities, this lousy boy cuts your printing time by 75%. With a standalone motor at each axis and lightning-fast acceleration, it zooms through your designs at a mind-boggling 250 millimeters per second. Vroom, vroom! But speed isn't its only trick. The Sprite dual-gear direct extruder ensures clog-free printing at temperatures as high as 300 degrees Celsius. No more frustrating jams or ruined prints. This printer handles a variety of materials like PLA, TPU, PETG, ABS, and more, so you can unleash your creativity without any worries. Stability is critical when it comes to quality, and this printer delivers. Its all-metal cube frame, reinforced with linear shafts and extra gussets, guarantees rock-solid stability for precise prints. Oh, and did we mention the sticky and bendable PC build surface? This genius invention ensures your models stick securely during printing but can be easily removed with a gentle bend once they're done. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.